Hello BTC peeps, we are here with our simulators for their acting auditions and we're so happy to see that you guys are all in your BTC Pride wear. Hello everybody.
Hello.
I assume you guys are here to audition for parts for the BTC simulation program.
Yes, I am.
Great! Well first let's begin with our birthing audition. Who wants to go first?
The baby is coming!
Wow, you both are very good at this. I think we could use both of you here on campus. Andrew, why don't you do the next couple of auditions?
Yes, next we have an audition for a cyanotic child who can wheeze on cue. Hi Hal, it looks as if you already got the part. Next we need a simulator to code, preferably one that looks dead on cue. Wow, so natural. Love it.
She's definitely a natural. Let's see, next we need an adult male for multiple parts.
My chest hurts. I think my ankle's broken. It's like there's an elephant standing on my chest.
I think you're definitely going to fit into the BTC sim area. We can get you into multiple roles. Next, we need someone who wouldn't mind letting us operate or cut them open occasionally.
I think cut.
Wow, yes you have. Well, it looks like you're exactly what we're looking for our surgical tech program. Last but not least, we need an infant to cry, turn blue, and retract all at the same time.
Right on! That's amazing. I'm just so thrilled to be working with all of you. Andrew and I cannot wait to make you all famous at BTC. Andrew, let's get these BTC Proud volunteers to work.
Let's definitely do that. Hey Christy, it's National Healthcare Simulation Week.